Why is it difficult for trees to repopulate in urban areas as compared to rural areas? The following are the drawbacks of the trees. मिलते रहेंगे यहाँ तक क्या I have a reason to care about tree loss. And for a reason to care about tree loss, the summer's record-breaking heat waves might. Trees can lower summer daytime temperatures by as much as 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Tree cover in US cities is shrinking. A study published last year found that the country lost 36 million trees annually from urban and rural communities over a 5-year period. If we continue on this path, cities will become warmer, more polluted, and generally unhealthier for inhabitants. There are many reasons our tree canopy is declining, including hurricanes, tornadoes, fires, insects, and disease. But the one reason for the tree loss that humans can control is sensible development. According to the study, the tree cover is being replaced with impervious cover, which means that the green areas are now being replaced with a parking lot or a building. The study placed a value on tree loss based on trees' role in air pollution removal and energy conservation. The lost value amounted to $96 million per year. Trees provide shades for homes, office buildings, parks and roadways, cooling surface temperature. They also take in and evaporate water, cooling the air around them. Trees absorb carbon and remove pollutants from the atmosphere. They also reduce energy costs by $4 billion a year, as the shading of trees on buildings reduces air conditioning cost. Ask any real estate agent. Trees and leaf cover improve the aesthetics and value of property. They can reduce flooding by absorbing water and reduce runoff streams. Trees can deflect sound. One reason you will see them lining highways and along fences. They can also add sound through birds chirping, blowing through leaves, noises that have shown psychological benefits. Many studies have found connections between exposure to nature and better mental and physical health. Some hospitals have added tree views and planting for patients. As a result of these studies, doctors are even prescribing walks in nature for children and families due to evidence that nature exposures lower blood pressure and stress hormones, and studies have associated living near green areas with lower death rates. There is a downside to trees too, such as pollen allergies or large falling branches in storms, and people don't rely. There are ways cities and towns can manage trees to help communities thrive. We can design and manage tree canopies in our cities to improve our well-being. Urban forests especially needs our help to replace urban forests जो हैं especially need our help to replace fallen trees like rural areas. It is very difficult for trees to repopulate themselves in a city environment with so much concrete and asphalt. That's why the community needs to go in and actually plant a tree, because the open spaces in cities are not natural anymore. The job isn't complete when the saplings take root. Volunteer organizations plan most of their year to care for young trees until they are mature enough to thrive on their own. They prune trees for 10 years to make sure they get a good healthy structure. They also add much around trees to help keep the moisture in the ground so that tree doesn't dry. One needs to have a lot of patience. Can start by caring for the trees on their own property. Dead branches should be pruned regularly. If they are small enough, you can do it yourself or hire a company. You should notice where your trees may be in trouble. Often you can observe when something is wrong, such as when branches are losing leaves and breaking, or even mushrooms are growing at the base of the trees. You can also hire an arborist or tree canopy expert to assess the health of your trees. Don't remove old trees if it's not necessary. Instead, try taking small actions like removing branches for the tree to get bigger in 50 to 100 years. And once they are established, they can live a long time. But there is no guarantee that a younger tree will one will make it, and it will take a very long time to grow. You can also help your city interest by joining your local non-profit groups. Perfect. इसको पढ़ने 5 मिनट लगे. Why is difficult for trees to repopulate in urban areas compared to rural areas? There is a lack of species that eat fruits. नहीं, most surfaces in urban areas covered with concrete and asphalt. The passage of the following is what are the drawbacks of trees. Drawbacks: pollen, storm, their roots can break water pipes. Only 1 and 2. All of the following have been mentioned in the passage as benefit of the trees, except they can raise the worth of a property by adding to its appearance. Okay. By reducing temperature, they can help reduce energy costs, they provide natural sounds and provide psychological benefits. But they can help in reducing roots of trees hold the soil together and help in. इसके बारे में नहीं बताया गया. The following indicates that a tree is sick. The bark becomes loose and starts to fall off. The tree is leaning at more than 15 degrees from the vertical. The base of the tree, the bark becomes loose and starts to fall off. 1 and 3. You can observe the breaking and breaking. Branches are losing leaves and breaking or starts to fall off. The bark के बारे में कुछ नहीं बताया. The one reason for tree loss that humans can control is sensible development. Which of the following words summarize the meaning of prescribing? Similar, recommending. थ्राइव करना है, फ्लरिश करना है. Similar, assesses, evaluate. The art game. ठीक है. Heat, drought, floods, and dash. Heat, drought, floods, and tragic. The intensifying wildfire season, especially the lengthening period, intensifying wildfire season have dashed the West to reckon with climate change, have compelled the West to reckon with climate change more explicitly than probably any other region in America. But this summer's convergence of extreme events dash that climate change isn't a future threat, it's here. Extreme events demonstrates that it's here. Scientists, policymakers and environmentalists all broadly recognize that events that once seemed impossible will become more commonplace. Greenhouse gas pollution from cars and power plants and deforestation have stunned temperature, have raised temperature, combined with a period of lower precipitation, that excess heat has caused a drought across the southwest since 2000. That has been the most drastic severe. E में है severe since the 1500s. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन 1 2 3 4 अरेंजमेंट ही है, ठीक है। डी से और ए से एमिशंस कॉजिंग क्लाइमेट चेंज, एमिशंस कॉजिंग क्लाइमेट चेंज ऑफ द, ऐसे छोड़ दे, डी से ले ले। फॉसिल फ्यूल कंबशन ऑफ द ग्रीन हाउस गैस emissions causing climate change is now America's largest single source. Fossil fuel combustion is now America's largest single source of the greenhouse gas emissions causing climate change. More than 3,000 years ago has a long history. इसे छोड़ दे, सही से। Crop cultivation in Tigray CD has a long history as settled agriculture started more than 3 years ago. Okay. Humanity's efforts to mitigate climate change threatens to significantly hamper melting of Greenland's ice sheet. Humanity's effort to नहीं है, डी और ए से शुरू हुआ। melting of Greenland's ice sheet डी है, minutes for डी भी threatens to significantly hamper humanity's efforts to mitigate climate change. Okay. double A double D. What communication है? Universities are a prime training ground for students to learn what communication is. A B C D. A heavy chemical element is नहीं, डबल सी डबल डी। तो split to produce lateral ones. Existing nuclear energy split to produce lateral ones. A heavy chemical existing nuclear energy relies on a process called fission, where a heavy chemical element is split. Their lawyer told the court that since they had any claim to the house, there was no purpose in continuing the application. Since they had relinquished any claim, क्लेम ख़त्म किया जाता है, क्लेम रिलिंक्विश नहीं किया जाता, वापस ले लिया। क्लेम वापस भी ले आ सकते हैं ना। Since they had repealed, alcohol companies were introducing very sharp marketing tactics aimed at encouraging young people to consume drinks. Alcohol companies were introducing very sharp marketing ploys डिबेट्स भी हो सकता था। Bruno would continue to bark until quinine comes from the bark of the cinchona tree. She was about to bark on a major expedition leave. और मुझे लग रहा है द bark comes ना तो 1-3 हो जाएगा। Okay, nail it. I wasn't sure whether I could nail the fingernails. The boots were nailed. She has developed a nail infection. Right thumb. 1-3. Okay. Very few people asked for a second serving. Took him 40 seconds. I second his view. 1 and 3. The bird sat on the topmost bough of the tree. We must all bow before the king. The hunter carried a bow. 2 and 3. Mine. The blue bike is not mine. The government decided to mine the southern part of the tree. He works in a gold mine. Okay. If no sentence contain any error. Okay. In the past three decades, correct. In 1992, the science behind the accuracy of how fossil fuels were warm. We need a strategy to ramp up our actions to combat the climate crisis. We must be persistent. Okay, inviting the Queen to celebrate India's independence was a generous gesture. Okay, it demonstrated Britain's. The then Prime Minister made it clear that he wanted the Queen to apologize. The government has released estimates from the third annual round the periodic level 4 survey. In the first wave, the worst impact of reverse migration was partially mitigated by the relative resilience of agriculture. Okay. Agricultural wages may not remain as resilient as they did in 2020. Policymakers have chosen to ignore this vulnerability because the formal sector of the economy is showing signs of recovery. The absence of a define of public interest definition. Courts tend to test it public. Supreme Court has remained mindful of the political dimensions of public interest. Say the right to free speech in India is not absolute and comes with certain riders that are listed in the Constitution. India is already facing water stress. Easy था इसलिए मतलब India is already facing water stress thanks to erratic monsoon, increased temperatures and extreme rainfalls. Higher temperatures hampers India must work on a war footing to mitigating higher temperatures hamper productivity for outdoor workers. There is a reason why I did that. Okay, fine. तो relinquished सही लग रहा था. तीनों सही कर रहा था मैं और तीनों गलत कर दिए मैंने. इसको भी मैंने चेंज किया, इसको भी मैंने चेंज किया और इसको भी मैंने चेंज किया। ओके मन्नत जैसे होना चाहिए।